we're here in Winchester Cathedral on this extraordinary space, and we've just held a wonderful event focused on Wales. Wales as natural, as cultural and as legal entities. One of the really special things about this evening's event was the way it brought together two communities of knowledge at the University of Southampton. That's our Maritime Institute and our Institute for Arts and Humanities.
It's amazing to me. So we rarely get the opportunity to explore issues from artistic perspectives. So evenings like this really bring those together and kind of give us fresh perspectives on things.
Spectacular, magical, actually, really atmospheric, of course. I particularly loved listening to Philip Hoare read the words that he'd written. I think that was a very special experience.
It was a really incredible experience, actually. It brought together so many things that happen at the university and in a totally unique space. An event like this can really help make a transformation.
Moving, exciting, inspiring, thoughtful, absolutely everything you could possibly want from an evening. Where would you go to get such a mixture anywhere else, and in such a setting too?